I think we're going to be able to manage this well.
More presumptive cases of the coronavirus in Colorado. What we're learning about these new cases.
One person with the virus traveled to the mountains. What resorts are now doing to keep skiers protected.
I'm not worried, you're skiing on the mountain. You're not really interacting with any corona.
And the cost of care. We're breaking down who pays if you have to get a coronavirus test. Developing news tonight, the number of coronavirus cases in Colorado is now growing. There are at least 6 new presumptive positive cases across our state, bringing the total number of state cases to 8. Good evening, I'm Andrew Healy.
And I'm Shannon Ogden. And 2 of those new cases are here in Denver. Another 2 are from Douglas County, 1 in El Paso County, and 1 in Eagle County. Both patients in Denver are in isolation, not in the hospital though. Officials say with the cases in Douglas County, 1 is an adult who recently went to Italy. The other is a student who returned from the Philippines. In Eagle County, that person was also exposed during international travel. And then to El Paso County, that person recently traveled to California. Yesterday, we learned a man who was visiting Summit County and a woman in Douglas County also tested positive.
Denver 7's Addie Guajardo joins us live with what we're learning about these new cases in Denver. Addie?
Well, Shannon and Ann, we've learned 1 person traveled to Vancouver. The other person was on a cruise ship with a friend who tested positive for a presumptive COVID-19. Now, this is what we know about these 2 local cases. 1 is a parent, the other is older. The older one is an at-risk category for COVID-19. Denver Public Health and Environment confirmed the person is connected to one of the Douglas County cases. Right now, 7 people are in quarantine. That does not include the presumptive positive cases. Those people are in isolation. Now, the parent who tested presumptive positive has a child that attends St. Anne's Episcopal School. In a statement, the school says they took initiative and sent students home early as a precaution and to thoroughly disinfect the campus. They say the parent has not been to the school in the past month. That entire family right now is currently in quarantine.
Right now, it looks like since the person who is ill is isolating at home, we don't see any risk of transmission at the school. And so we would say that there would be no future needs for schools that are worried to take this type of action. So far, what we're seeing is it's definitely impacting people that have an underlying health condition and people that are elderly and maybe and those who don't have as much access to medical care.
Now, we're told it takes 24 to 48 hours before the CDC can confirm these cases here in Denver. Once an infected person stops having symptoms, we're told they're tested twice, and if they pass both of those tests, they're free to go home. Now, health officials are reminding people to continue going to the events that you already have planned. If you have a basketball game or a concert to go to, they say continue doing what you would normally do, and are reminding people washing your hands is just as effective as using hand sanitizer. So don't spend all that extra cash on that hand sanitizer that's being overpriced. Reporting live, Addie Guajardo, Denver 7.
All right, Addie, thank you.